Fourth grade friends, today is Create Your Music Day, Create Your Own Music Day. After singing Save Our Planet, since we just had Earth Day, I want you to review QGrooves, which we looked at and created some music with last year when we were talking about form and singing the song Almost Summertime. So I'm going to go into your Music Google Classroom here. Of course, you'll start off, you'll see this. You'll go to your classwork. And here it is. We're going to use the Quaver link to go to QGrooves. So this will take you to your Quaver login screen. You'll select Sign In with Google. Choose your Google account if you need to. And you will not see as many icons on your Quaver account like I do, but you just need to look for the circle that has creatives. Once you do that, you're going to go to QGrooves. And now you see that grid of instruments and empty squares that hopefully looks familiar from last year. I'm gonna try to do this quickly so you can have a lot of time to create your QGroove. So first you're gonna start by choosing your style. Today I am going to choose electro. Okay, now since I chose electro, all of my squares say electro at the top, and they're all blue because right now my keyboards row is selected. However, I like to start creating my QGrooves by using drums. So now that I've selected the drums row, all the squares turn green, and now I'm going to listen to my drum sounds and start selecting the samples that I want for my QGroove. I like that one. Oh, I think I'm going to start with that one. I'm going to do 3 of those. Remember, you can always use the same one. You can repeat it. But I wouldn't repeat all of them. You know, it's good to switch it up too. And then there's more. You can click that arrow and hear more. I'm going to choose just one of those. Oh, there's even more. Look at that. Ooh, I really like that one. So now, and you can keep on going. I'm just gonna make my QGroove 8 boxes long so that this video doesn't take forever. So now I can play my song. I dig it. If I had more time, I'd probably keep going with that one because I really like that beat or that rhythm that I'm creating. Now I'm going to add bass to it. So I'm going to click down here to the bass row. Looks like I only have 3 choices for this one. Let's see. Okay. Oop. Oh, I tried to drag too high. So I got to make sure I'm going to the right row there. And you know what? I just want to show you this. You don't even have to have, you don't have to have every square filled up. So maybe I'm just going to start with just drums and then do bass added from there on out. But I'm going to keep my first 2 squares empty. Okay, so now I've, oh, by the way, when you are clicking and dragging on your Chromebook, you might be a little disappointed to learn that like doing your touch screen and trying to drag with your finger is probably not gonna work. Some of the other classes had trouble with that the other day. So what you're gonna wanna do is take one finger on your mouse pad, click and hold, and then take another finger and drag your square that way. So again, you may not get anywhere by just trying to use your touch screen for this. Why? I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna play this one more time. No bass yet. Yeah, I like this already. This is good. Okay. Well, I would love to continue this, but you know what? I'm out of time because I want to give you guys time. Now, up here, let's say I really like my QGroove, because I do, and I want to save it. So I'm going to go up here to the top, and I am just going to call this Fun. It's a creative title, isn't it? And then for composer name, I am just going to put my first initial, D for Dobmeyer. There I go. And now to save my QGroove, I come over here to Menu, and I go down to Save. And you see that thumbs up? The thumbs up says I saved it, okay? Hopefully you can remember how to save it. If not, you can maybe quickly ask a neighbor beside you. But remember, you've got to fill in a title and a composer. They don't have to be, you know, super creative or anything like that. They can be very short. Just put your first initial if you want to. And then again, Menu, Save. And then next time, if we come back to class and I give you more time to do QGrooves, you can then go to this QGroove by opening it from the menu. Okay? All right, friends, have fun. Please be trustworthy on your Chromebooks by staying on your, not only your Quaver account, but in the QGrooves app. Use this time to be creative and be awesome. See ya.